how to check the C++ version in your project in Visual Studio. So first you want to open up your project in Visual Studio, your C++ project. Right click on it in the Solution Explorer and open up the properties. Now under Configuration Properties, expand C/C++ and then go to the Language tab. And from here you should find an entry called C++ Language Standard. And that is the C++ version. You can also click on the drop down and select a different one, or select preview for the latest preview version. You can also click on apply to apply the language. There is also another way that you can display the C++ version through the code in your program, and this will require disabling this one, or setting this disable language extension to no. Then click on apply and OK. Now in your code you can write something like stdcout __ C++, and this should print out the C++ version if you run the code. So for example, here you can see it prints 199711, which is usually the C++ 20, because I have the C++ 20 selected. But if it's showing a wrong value like that, make sure that you add this command to the command line. So right click on your project, go to properties, and then C++ command line, and you want to add the following line at the end, which is this additional option, /ZC semicolon __ C++. Click on apply and OK, and then try to run your program again. And this should basically print the correct version now. As you can see, it's 2002, which means C++ 20, as we have selected in the settings. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.